Yes, good morning everyone. Hi, love you. This is Vinod Kumar. I have 13 years teaching experience at various colleges and MSET level academies. Okay, I have completed my Master of Philosophy MPhil. Okay, today we discuss about the differential equation concept. Just we can discuss differential equations. First of all, what is meant by equation? We have so many algebraic equations are there. The linear combination of constants and variables. Constants and variables. That is nothing but algebraic expression. That expression is equal to 0 is an equation. Suppose ax plus by plus cz. This is an algebraic expression. A, B, C are constants, x, y, z are variables. This is equal to 0. This is an equation. Suppose ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is also an algebraic equation. So this equation, in this equation, a, b, c are constants, x, y, z are variables. Now here three variables are there. In this equation having only one single variable. Okay, in this single variable ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, the highest degree of x is 2. Then this equation is quadratic equation. In this equation involving one variable, in this equation involving three variables, then these expressions are nothing but quadratic expressions, and equations are nothing but equations. Okay. Now algebraic equations. Now the differential equations means an equation involving one dependent variable, one or more independent variables, and the differential coefficients of dependent variable with respect to the any independent variables is called a differential equation. What is nothing but dependent, what is nothing but independent? Suppose we have to take y equals to f of x be any real valued function, that is y equals to, for example, x square plus 1. Now put x value here 1, then you can get y equals to 1 square plus 1, that is equals to 2. If x equals to 2, then y equals to 2 square plus 1, then it is equals to 5. When we can get the putting one value, you getting one value. Now this 2 and 5 both values are depends on x value. So here x be the independently we have to take independent variable, and y be the dependent variable. Now we have to take y equals to f of x any real valued function. On that function y is dependent, x is independent. Just you take the derivative on both sides with respect to x is dy by dx is d by dx of f of x, that is f dash of x. This is called derivative of y. Such type of derivatives are involving in an equation with one dependent variable with respect to one or more independent variables. One or more independent variables means that is PDE. On that partial differential equation we have to discuss for more than one independent variable. Now such type of equations are called differential equations. Suppose a into d square y by dx square plus b into dy by dx plus c into y equals to 0. It is called a differential equation of a second order derivative having y. Y is called dependent variable, x is called independent variable. Now the next concept is a linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Now linear differential equation means in a differential equation involving derivatives and with respect to the one single independent variable of one dependent variable and dependent variable and its derivative, but not their product together in the equation having, then it is called linear differential equation. That is, I am explaining one more time. In a differential equation having single dependent variable and its derivative but not their product together is called a linear differential equation. For example, a into d power n minus 1 into y by dx power n minus 1 plus b into d power n minus 2 into y by dx power n minus 2 plus and so on, plus here lastly here you got z into suppose y equals to z power a power 1, this is a power 2, here this is a power n into y equals to 0. In this differential equation having y be the dependent variable, y is dependent variable, x is independent variable, but not there, and dy by dx is derivative of dependent variable, and y into dy by dx, these terms are not acceptable in the linear differential equation. Suppose such type of terms are involving in an equation, in a differential equation, that is a non-linear differential equation. In a differential equation involving dependent variable and its derivative but not their product together is called linear differential equation. Okay, now we want to take the first order linear differential equation form is dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. This is first order linear differential equation where p of x and q of x both are functions in terms of x. Okay, and also you can write dx by dy plus p of y into x equals to q of y. In this place the dependent variable is x, the independent variable is y. In this place the dependent variable is y and independent variable is x. So now in this linear differential equations you can find out the solution of linear differential equation is y equals to sum phi of x plus c. By finding this linear differential equation solution, we have to use integrating factor. That integrating factor is e to the power integral of p of x dx. What here p of x is there? Just you can take exponential integral p of x dx. Okay. So for the general solution of linear differential equation is y into integrating factor integral of q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. What we have in the question q of x in RHS side, just you have to take that q of x and integrating factor you should find out. Okay, for example we have to take one problem here. Log x dy by dx plus y equals to log x square. This is actually not a linear differential equation. Why? Because here the product of derivative and one function, just the derivative having the coefficient is must be 1, then you can take dy by dx plus 1 by log x into y equals to 2 log x by log x. We have to divide log x on both sides, then you can get this. This is of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equals to q of x. Here where what p of x, the comparing these two, what p of x 1 by log x. Okay, what q of x 2 log x by log x, that cancel, then here 2. What is the integrating factor means? The formula is e to the power integral p of x dx. Okay, p of x into dx. So here x log x, this is, sorry, x log x. Now the q of x is 2 by x. In the question, x log x. Okay. Now e to the power integral of 1 by x log x dx. Here p of x is 1 by x log x. E to the power integral of 1 by x by log x into dx. So we have the formula for integral f dash of x by f of x. Dx is log mod f of x plus c. This is the formula. By using this formula, here the derivative of log x is 1 by x. The numerator is 1 by x. The denominator is log x. Then you can get e power log mod log x. Yes, e exponential and log both are cancelled. Then you can get only what? That is modulus of log x. That is the integrating factor. That is the integrating factor. Now the general solution of given linear differential equation is y into integrating factor equals to integral of q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. Y into log x equals to integral of what? Q of x here, 2 by x into log x dx. Now we can put 1 by log x equals to t. Now 1 by x dx equals to dt. Now yt equal to 2 integral t dt. Here 1 by x dx equals to dt. Log x is t. Now yt equals to 2 t square by 2 plus c. 2 cancel. Now y equals to t plus, okay, c by t. What t here? Log x. Y equals to log x plus c by log x is the general solution of given differential equation. That's it. Yeah, thank you.